In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Squarespace member areas, a feature that allows you to create private sections of your website just for members. Whether you're setting up a members-only course, a subscription service, or any exclusive content, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. The first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Content and Memberships and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can manage everything related to memberships on your site. Once you're there, you'll see a button or a link that says Create, and you'll want to click that next. This is an essential step as it will guide you towards setting up a new member site for your users. After clicking Create, you'll be prompted to name your member site. Take a moment to think about a name that clearly represents the purpose of this section for your members and is easily recognizable. Once you've decided, go ahead and type the name into the provided field and press Enter. This action will save your chosen name and continue the setup process. Next, you'll need to select a layout for your member site's homepage. Squarespace offers a variety of layouts tailored to different needs, so take a look through the available options. It's important to choose a layout that aligns with your site's overall aesthetic and serves the functionality you have in mind for your members. You can always tweak these later, but choosing a great starting point makes the process smoother. To select a layout, simply browse the available templates and click on the one you like best. Each template offers a preview, so you can get a sense of how it will look with your content before committing. Once you make your choice, confirm by clicking on the layout, and your member site will begin taking shape. As you proceed with these steps, remember that customizing your member area is about creating a unique and secure experience for your audience. You can always revisit these settings and make adjustments as you grow and learn what works best for your membership needs. Keep in mind that a well-organized member site can enhance your engagement and build a stronger relationship with your audience. So take the time to explore each feature. And that's it. You've now set the foundation for your member area on Squarespace. You're ready to further customize, add content, and invite your community into this exclusive space. If you found this video helpful, stay tuned for more in-depth tutorials, and don't forget to check out the features within your member areas that you can use to grow your website. Thank you for watching, and happy building!